Hello, it's Robert Burr here at the Rum Wreck Dive Bar for another episode of Rum Minute. Today we're looking at Canefire No. 5 Aged Rum. On the west coast of Australia, the boutique family-run Kimberly Rum Company produces Canefire 5-year-old aged rum, a blend of two distinct marques. The first, dubbed Rohan's Reserve, is a low-cut, high-ester rum with a double run through the still, focusing heavily on character and deep flavor. The second, known as Annual Reserve, is triple distilled with few residual esters, resulting in a very light-bodied, zesty rum. Starting with raw, unrefined, first-quality Australian sugar, the process is started with a heat-tolerant, slow-acting yeast that gently ferments over a long 40-day cycle. Canefire No. 5 is distilled in a custom-built 1,000-liter stainless steel Australian still. The distillate is then aged in oak from Australian wineries. Aromas of cinnamon, baking spice, and shortbread cookie over an earthy base are accented by a floral note, perhaps lavender. On the palate, the earthy mineral notes are balanced by spicy sassafras root and sweet nectar, before a woody bitterness is revealed mid-palate for fine balance. Wood notes linger in the medium-long finish. Canefire 5-year-old rum from Australia is an undosed dry rum which suits the Australian palate with its deep, rich character. It stands up to bold ingredients in rum cocktails. It goes especially well with cola and plays well in a tumbler on the rocks, along with a garnish of fresh orange peel. Bottled at 40%, Canefire No. 5 sells for $119 in Australia, equivalent to about $85 in the USA.